It's New Year's Eve again, and that means it's time to get out that old song, Auld Lang Syne. That's the song that we sing every New Year's Eve, pretty much since television was invented. In this video, we're going to play Auld Lang Syne for the tenor sax, which is what you will hear in the track. Pause the video right here if you need to, get your instrument ready, and let's play Auld Lang Syne. You will receive 3 preparatory counts, and then you're on. So get ready, here we go. 1, 2, 3.